Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic black bar opening in VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my video on my project and I'm going to show you how the cinematic black bar opening looks like. Okay, this is for the opening and you can create this opening with just view steps. You don't need like mask or keyframe. You just need one effect and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add new project. I'm just going to create new project and then I'm going to import my video. Wait, I'm going to choose video based and then I'm going to choose video category and I'm going to choose this video, the same video as before, and then I'm going to click on next to import the video. Okay, and we're going to change the aspect ratio. You can choose the ratio menu here and then you need to choose this one, 21 and 9 ratio. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark and now the ratio has been changed and we're going to apply the cinematic black bar. Okay, you can click on this plus icon guys on the transition and we're going to choose the vertical. Okay, and it will create something like this and then you can customize the duration here and then you can click on apply the transition. I'm going to click on this plus icon and let's play it. Okay, that's so cool and cinematic. And then actually on this menu, you will be able to apply another transition. You can apply this black transition, customize the duration, and then white and vertical or horizontal. You just need to choose the opening that you want. But for cinematic video, I recommend you to choose the vertical one or this black one because it can make your video cinematic, the black or vertical. But it depends on the video that you want to create. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark. Wait, I'm going to go back to the vertical. And if you want to export your video, just click on this icon and then the video will be exported to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic black bar opening and VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.